my Kpop transformation. And we're gonna start soon. Very exciting. It's so fair.
에스터 디자이너부터 워킹.
Like 2 shades lighter right now. Feels. Visit our Korean makeup and hair. Yeah, if you want. And then we're gonna go teeth whitening right now. We're at Apugu Rodeo. It's quite nice out here. Just got ready. This is scalp scaling. It helps with exfoliation. Exfoliation. I love it here. Whenever you go to a salon or anywhere, they always give you free iced coffee. Now we're doing the hair mask. Nice scalp massager. Helps with blood circulation and with red light treatment. Guangzhou market, but I had a damn bad car ride. I'm gonna go take Sakura to go eat my favorite mung bean pancakes. Eat this mung bean pancake. I'm actually so hungry. So excited for this ride. I knew she was gonna come. Yeah, the ones are really good. You should get an MB shoes. Yeah, I feel like you had one. It smells so good. Yeah, do it over that. Wow. Instagram is so dead. We're doing the photo booth. Okay, let's have some fun.
It's like a
Looks like it's having the tonkatsu. They put on the hot plate like that. I'm getting a curry. Yeah, same. Oh, okay, new base. We're going for our color analysis right now. No makeup on today because we need like a very accurate base of how our color looks like. But we brought our makeup, so yeah.
똑같이 얇은 피부가 핑크빛이네 있으신 편이시고요. Overall, 그래서 피부 톤 같은 경우에서는 이 정도 핑크빛이 살짝 있으신 톤으로 봤을 때 조금 더 자연스럽게 가볍게 올라오는 모습을 보실 수 있고요. 그러니까 많이 들어가는 건 살짝 날아가 보일 수 있는 정도.
So we can say you're like type, but too much color with too much white in it.
makeup.
여름 뮤트 공통점 같은 경우는
Summer light. We got two shoes here. We're at a burger place. We're so freaking hungry. Oh my god, burger looks so good. Come to the other half for you. We're at Jeonsu Forest. Getting the Calvin Klein, getting the Ralph Lauren stuff. I'm getting a vest. Gonna get a quick drink because I'm feeling a little bit nauseous. I'm currently in Myeongdong and then see all this street food. Oh, we have the cheese stock. So good. We're gonna go to this Olive Young. Careful. Of course, we have to hit the Olive Young. Probably gonna get this one. We are in love with toner pads recently, so we're gonna get this one.